Hello lovely people of the internet, welcome back to another Vintage Tips and Tricks video. I am feeling in the Halloween spirit. As an Aussie, we don't really celebrate Halloween, but I'm in Europe and going out to the shops and stuff. There are pumpkins everywhere and spooky displays. So I'm feeling in the mood, and I know most of my followers are from the US, so I know you guys absolutely love Halloween over there. So I thought I would do a spooky themed video for you today.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
We are having a Halloween party. We've invited Val's family over. However, they weren't available this weekend, so we will be doing it in the first week of November. So I probably won't share the actual party on here, but I'm going to show you guys my prep for the party because I'm so excited. I have a Pinterest board, which I will share here, of my inspiration for drinks and food, etc. We're gonna have a spooky Halloween playlist that I'll show you guys later on. And I'm doing some photo shoots. So today I'm gonna do like an Uncanny style photo shoot with a glass of water. Had some inspiration, again, more Pinterest inspiration here. I'm gonna try and create something like that. We'll see whether it works out or not, I don't know. I don't have a lot of fancy photography equipment, so I'm gonna have to get experimental, but we'll try that today. And then tomorrow I'm doing a devil costume Halloween shoot with the Betty Page lingerie devil outfit. So it's like a sexy devil. Got some pumpkins and I have a little trident. Devil's trident. Is it a trident or is it only a trident when it's in the ocean? I don't know. What do you call it? Devil's pick? I don't know. Anyway, mini devil's pick, and I've got some pumpkins. So cute. I'll show you that more when I decorate later on for the shoot, but that's the plan. We also got a new board game that Val and I have played as 2-player, but it's designed for a group. It is called Mysterium. Here it is here. Got like 1920 style car with a big haunted house in the background. Essentially, you're a group of mediums who have been called to a haunted house on Halloween to communicate with a ghost who has been murdered. Someone plays the ghost, the rest of you play the mediums. So that should be a really fun activity. And I was talking to my mum on the phone earlier and she suggested that game that you do as kids where you like blindfold someone and you stick their hand into various things and they have to guess what it is, like creepy, gross stuff. So that sounded really cute and fun, so I think we'll definitely do that as well. I also just ordered this extremely gorgeous tarot set from 50s Vintage Dame. It's her original artwork all over the deck. So it's a traditional tarot deck in the sense of the names of the cards, but then all of the artwork is like old Hollywood. So cool. It's got Harlequin print back to the cards, and then the cards themselves are like all these cute old Hollywood images. Gorgeous. Anyway, I think it's time to do this Uncanny photo shoot. So I'll show you guys the setup. The makeup is very like whitish. I'm gonna have like harsh lighting on me and I wanted like the nude brow, like bleach brow and then like bold red lip look. We'll see how it turns out. I'm not particularly liking it as a look, like just out and about, but I think for the photo shoot it'll look cool, and then I'll make myself look a little bit more normal. Okay, so I have my photo shoot set up in here. I've got my lamp on the little table here, and I'm gonna be shooting down low and in close. And hopefully we can play with some shadows, but we shall see. Definitely got spooky vibes going on, but yes, I'm gonna be down like super close. Happens when my face should come in the opposite direction. Maybe it will work, maybe it will look terrible. We'll find out. This is gonna be uncanny for you guys anyway because it's gonna be sideways, but I have changed the table I'm using so it's higher, and now I'm messing around with the camera, but you can see it reverses my mouth in the shot. Okay, photo shoot is done. I fixed up my makeup so I don't look weird. I definitely don't think the blonde brow look is for me. I looked quite haggard. I'm actually not very well at the moment. This afternoon I'm going to have an ultrasound, hopefully to find out what is wrong, but I think that's probably contributing to my haggardness. But anyway, apart from some household chores and my appointment, that's pretty much it for today. So I'm going to edit those pictures. As you guys probably saw, I think I'm going to do a cutaway and show you how they came out. And tomorrow I'm doing the other photo shoot, so I will see you then. Hey guys, it's the next day. Haven't done quite what I planned because I spent the morning doing some self-care stuff and then organizing some work stuff, and then Val and I went out into Dijon to visit the record store because it's Val's day off, and we went to the tea store and got some tea. Now I got myself a pumpkin spice latte. I've actually never had one of these. I'm an Aussie. I'm not a huge fan of Starbucks. I'm gonna admit I don't think the coffee is very good at Starbucks. But I felt like trying something new, and a pumpkin spice latte sounded good, all sugary and delicious, and I feel like you probably can't taste the coffee very much in this, and the focus is really the spices and the sugariness, so let's give it a go. Okay, that's actually really delicious. It doesn't taste anything like coffee. Louis keeps trying to eat Val's biscuit. And he keeps trying to drink Val's coffee, which is down here. That's really yummy though. You want to try? Let's see what you think. It's so hot in the car. It's actually quite warm in Dijon today, but I'm definitely overdressed. Doesn't taste like coffee, but it tastes quite nice. Very desserty.
So sweet.
Oh, it's very sweet. My favorite new shop in Dijon is Saveur Thé Café. It's a tea shop. And we just got ourselves a Christmas tea. It's tea from Prague. Well, it's like Prague. The aroma of Prague. It has black tea, chocolate, vodka, mandarin, flowers, and prune. It is the next day. I'm actually feeling a bit better today. Can you tell? I've had a couple of good nights sleep without insomnia, knock on wood for tonight. But I am getting ready for the photo shoot finally. The devil photo shoot. I've put my base on and my bronzer, but I'm gonna do sort of a 30s inspired makeup. I just felt that was very vampy, very devilly. Just gonna pop you guys on the tripod while I get ready, and then I shall do the shoot. Finished my makeup. I'm pretty happy with it. Obviously I went with like a very red look and I wanted my eyes to sort of mimic my lips. I'm pretty happy with that. Very red hands, I need to wash them. And now to do my hair, I've literally just used my, what do you call these? Rod rollers, or, you know, curling sticks to curl my hair this morning. This is all rolling backwards all the way down my head. This is rolling down and everything is rolling down. So it's a very simple pattern. I'm gonna do my hair. I haven't put much effort into this hair look because the Devil's Outfit has a little cap that's gonna cover the majority of my hair, but I wanted it curly at the bottom. So I'm gonna go and put on this outfit and get ready to shoot. Okay, so I've done a little setup over here. If you guys can see, I'm gonna try and put the pumpkins on different levels and see how that looks. Outfit is on. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you in the mirror so you guys can see. The room is a mess, I'm warning you now. I've got the suit with the tail from Betty Page Lingerie. It came with the matching little headdress. I've got my What Katie Did fishnets on, as you can see, and a pair of 40 style pumps from Bait Footwear. So I'm going to get my setup going and try and get some shadows happening in the background of the pumpkins, my horns, and the trident or the pick or whatever we call that. I'm sure someone will tell me down in the comments. And get some shots done. I will show you the finished result, of course. Oh my god, you're so cute. Well guys, I have to edit this vlog and get it up because today is upload day. Louis is on set with me. So cute. He thinks he's the star of the show, which of course he is. So yes, you will see this today. So I hope you're having a lovely Thursday. Much love to you all. If you're interested in more content, don't forget that my Patreon is linked down below. We have fun over there. We've got a beautiful group of people if you want to join us and make some vintage friends. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.